This morning, the Supreme Court issued decisions on its remaining cases, among them the highly debated Birthright Citizenship case, Trump versus Casa. If you haven't seen my previous video on the case, I recommend giving it a look, as I provide a more detailed overview of the facts. For this video, I want to focus on the opinion issued by the court this morning. Most importantly, the case focuses on the nature of the injunction issued by a judge and not the constitutionality of birthright citizenship. SCOTUS did not comment on whether or not the executive order is constitutional, and this question will likely re-emerge in front of the courts at a later date. Justice Amy Coney Barrett delivered the majority opinion of the court, saying that universal injunctions likely exceed the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts. In summary, the court surmised that the issuance of a universal injunction on the birthright citizenship executive order was an overreach of judicial power. When a court concludes that the executive branch has acted unlawfully, the answer is not for the court to exceed its power too, Barrett wrote. The final vote was 6-3, with Justice Sotomayor reading her dissent from the bench, a display of ardent disagreement. She likened the removal of birthright citizenship to other constitutional rights, such as the First Amendment right to practice religion, and highlighted the new inability of courts to stop it. In her words, the government is pushing that no matter how illegal a law or policy, courts can never simply tell the executive to stop enforcing it against anyone. Justice Jackson joined, adding that the decision to permit the executive to violate the Constitution with respect to anyone who has not yet sued is an existential threat to the rule of law. Overall, the SCOTUS decision gives the executive order another 30 days until it can go into effect, specifically against those who have not filed suit. This decision is major and will likely change the way we have seen injunctions issued across the nation. Likewise, the question of constitutionality still faces the courts and won't be a quick one. However, I hope this video provided you with a better understanding of this morning's decision on birthright citizenship. Thanks for watching, and as always, follow along for more educational videos.